Do you like me to be lambing-lambing? Lambing-lambing? To you a little bit?
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Tin-tin-tin, pakitin-kitin, alimangits, sadagits. Somebody want to go out? Do you want to go out? Behave, huh? No barky-barky, huh? You behave yourself, huh? Behave yourself, huh? It's freezing out there, huh? Anyway, guys, good morning. Why am I yellow? Roxy, Misty, Roxy, bed girls, bed, hiding now, hiding, bad girl. It's too early to bark. Oh, look at those ears. Oh, bad girls. No. Look. What are you doing? Why you do that? Why you do that? Ah. Early in the morning, you bad girl. Anyway, I'm just gonna the thing that I used yesterday, like stuff like this that I wash, I will put it back where it belongs. It's piling before I'm gonna have my breakfast. I really wanna be in my house, but the thing is, it's very cold. That means ice up there. Plus, it's snowing up there. The temperature's down. Yeah, that means it's not a good idea to drive. Nanonood lang ako ng vlog ni na Chris Lumagi. Lumagi? I don't know. Yeah, nanonood ako ng vlog niya. Bago lang ako, nakita ko siya sa, I saw her on the vlogger party at anak kay's house. Like, doon ko siya nakita. Hindi talaga ako nagpunta doon, guys. Oy. Nakita ko lang siya sa ibang vlogger. Like, Simple Race. Oh, and also, I'm gonna call my family. I forgot again. I forgot. Hello, Day. Day, kadungog ka? Hapot mo, nihapit mo ilang tadi ka? Unya unsa may kuan ninyo dito sa bukid sa umanangat to mag-umaday. Ya, ngano man nimo gikuanan, gi-upload. Maor gyapon tong atong bukid ay katong atong gipuy-an dito balay.
Oo, na gyapon ay pero kuan kanang limpyo. Limpyo na dili para sa una nag. Mugang.
Wala na ikat ang atong gibalayan, wala na. Wala na ikat atong gibalayan, wala na tagbot. Asa man dapit o may batang dito dapita.
Naaga, di kadong padung dito sa kanang kamutihan. Padung dito sa reserva.
Aw. Hindi na nga.
Ako din mo dito kinanong wala na.
Aw na rin, tinanong dito.
Nawala naman. Tulong dito.
Unya, ang sa pa may, salat ang lasang day, ang lasang, sa naman.
Nawala na, inaupaw na.
Wala.
Paano ba paglaspan?
Wala na yung mga kahoy.
Wala na ako. Sa tundang ko magkawal na sa.
Oh.
Mukaw na.
May klaro di ay. Ang katong kahinumdum ka katong gitam na ni mama sa una o katong mga atsal dapat kuan gyapon batuhan. Di naman naman to'y lasang dito dai palibot. Naman po to'y laing lasang dito. Oh. Oh. Unya, dis aman mo plakata. Hi guys, I'm not showered yet and I just kind of lambing to my baby. I did a lambing to him because I so worried about my baby. When he was a baby, I saw a picture. I don't know if that's him, but a lot of people say that his hair is like standing up. I'm just doing your hair like this, guys, and it's thicker. Like his hair is thick, and he's still not feeling good. So I do lambing, make him feel good a little bit. Not really. It's not gonna help. You like me to be lambing, lambing to you a little bit?
Not on the camera.
No. Oh, I will show you guys. Maybe somebody is sick out there. I talked this before, and I will show you if you're sick. If you're sick and if you can take any strong flavor. This is Sammy got this, the oil of oregano herbal supplement, support general well-being. This one, it's a GNC, guys. It's very popular, you know, GNC oil. There you go, guys. This is it. So this is, I tried this before. It's really strong. 3 drops, morning right hand and before bed, after dinner or before dinner.
Morning, afternoon, like 3 times.
Oh, 3 times, morning, afternoon and night. You have to take this one under your tongue. Yeah, he said hold it for 10 minutes and drink water after. You can order that at Amazon, Amazon.com. So that's all, guys. I just want to share with you that maybe you can order it Amazon when you know, it's really good for your body too. I just came down after shower and curl my hair, put makeup on, wearing the same thing. Well, I wash everything, you know. I'm going to the store, guys. I have to go to Trader Joe's for the fish that I can get Tommy's fish. I hope I won't drop you guys. Get back from the CVS and Trader Joe's. Oh, I got some lamb, rack of lamb. It's seasoned. I know in Trader Joe's they always have a nice stuff. And I got the churros that I like, and we get this swordfish. Tommy love it. Actually, I got 2 of this. It's 2 swordfish inside. So, and New England clam chowder, I got some for Tommy because Tommy is sick, so I wanna keep this for Tommy that tomorrow he has something. I went to CVS And the thing I got from them is this. I wanna make a review with this, guys. This one, charcoal pore strips. I wanna make a review with this. Maybe Tommy want to try this with me. And also I got some, I wanna try this also, try a review with this one, the Clean Professional CoverGirl translucent powder. I wanna try this. And I got my baby something. I got my baby something from CVS. Sour Patch. No, it's not Sour Patch. How do you call that? Sour gummies. And I wanna make a review with this one, guys. The Maybelline Fit Me concealer now. It's a Fit Me foundation. It's a normal to dry, and it is a dewy smooth. I wanna try this. I got this. This is really not expensive. This one I found this not expensive. So this one is the Sensitive Skin Cleansing Towelette. I'm going to defrost this. The way I'm going to defrost this is it's just a hot water from the faucet, because the water over here in the faucet is really hot, so it's easy to defrost some frozen like meat or something. How do you know I was here, Han? I came home. Okay, you see my key in the table, I guess. I'm really good with not living without the key.
Yeah.
You wanna open this for us?
Go ahead. I left her outside for 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Yeah.
Am I gone that long?
Yeah, you're gone.
Oh, I'm looking for your milk. They don't have it, hon. Where did you get it? Nagluluto lang ako ng paksiw. Parang paksiw lang bango. Mabango siya, parang paksiw. Yung swordfish. Nilagay ko dito, guys. Ano? Where's the light? Surface light. Okay. My eyes has been hurting though. This is the swordfish. Ang nilagay ko, what I put here, the onion, and then garlic, and then bay leaves, and ano to, mix itong juice na to mix with like there's oil in there, water, soy, vinegar, and lemon juice. Mixed vegetables from Stop and Shop. Huh?
What was in the mail?
It's nothing. My baby. Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of my makeup now. We're ready to just lie down. It's not even 8 o'clock. It's 7:52. Few minutes more to go. It's 8 o'clock. Hubbug. 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 Just done editing the thumbnail, and it's ready to be live very soon. When it's finally done, I'm just gonna get rid of my makeup. Now I can use this, the one that I get from CVS, towelette. I can use that. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog, and I will see you in my next vlog, guys. Thank you all, guys, so much for watching. Kita-kits tayo sa next vlog ko, ha. December 1, I've been uploading video, so I'm so happy with that until now I'm doing it every day. So all you guys, thank you for all your support, and I really do appreciate it. So happy that you're still watching my vlog. To all of you, leave a comments, giving me a thumbs up, and subscribing my channel. Thank you all, guys, so much for watching from the bottom of my heart. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Paper next week coming home.
It's till tomorrow?
5 tracks.
Carving and paper.
See, this used to be P, C, P, C.